Welcome back to the QuickBooks Online course, and in this lesson what we're going to focus on is how to do a reconciliation for a checking account. Now this is a very important task that must be completed on a regular basis. This is because it helps to ensure that the money is safe and that there's no funny business going on. And so to make sure that occurs, make sure that the person that has the access to the checking account does not do the bank reconciliation. So if you have a business manager that does the day-to-day payments and uses the checkbook on a regular basis, or uses the checking account to make payments on a regular basis, then you need another employee, an accountant or a manager or a boss, the owner, somebody else has to do the bank reconciliation. And that's really important because if the same person has the checkbook or has access to the checking account, does the reconciliation, then that's a vulnerability for potential misuse of the funds. So doing the bank reconciliation is fairly straightforward. What you want to do is you want to go into the accounting tab and select reconcile. Allows you to connect to the bank accounts for a lot of the different banks that are out there, but we're not going to do that, but instead we're going to do this manually. So when it asks you to let's do it, that's saying that you want to connect you to the bank account. Again, we're going to do this manually without using that service, so we'll just put maybe later and then I'll skip past it. Now what we want to do is we want to select the account that we want to reconcile. So we're going to reconcile the checking account, and then you need to look at your bank statement, the most recent bank statement you have, and see what that ending balance is. Not the beginning balance on the bank statement, but the bank statement the bank sends you. You need to look at the ending balance. Our ending balance is $229.43, and then select the ending date. So this would be from the previous month. So I'm in June right now, so I'm going to select the May 31st as the ending date. So the bank is going to send you somehow, either through email or through the regular mail, a bank statement each month. And when you open that up, it's going to be through the end of that particular month. And so you want to put that date in, and then you want to put the balance that's on the bank statement there, and then you can start reconciling. And so once you have that bank statement, what you want to do is first let's look at the payments. So select payments, and this would be all the checks that you wrote, all the payments that you made, even if it wasn't with a check. And so you would look at the bank statement and then go through and select every one of these that has cleared. So I went ahead and selected every one that cleared. I just looked at the bank statement. If I saw that it cleared, I clicked on the check mark. However, this check number 70 didn't clear, so I'm going to leave that as not cleared. And then all these other ones cleared. I found each of these listed on the bank statement. This one, check 108, has not cleared, and so everything else cleared. So all of these payments have gone through, and then I'll look at the deposits. I'll just look at the bank statement and see which deposits did I make that went through. Each of these have gone through. This one, reference number 2064 for $103.55, that one didn't clear, so I'm not going to check it. But these other ones cleared. The one for $408, the one for $868.15, each of those cleared. And so when I checked all of these, and I checked all my payments, now we see that the difference is 0. So everything that cleared matches the ending statement. So my bank reconciliation is done. I have reconciled my account. Now if you made a mistake, you put the wrong amount in, you can just go to edit information and you can make changes if you had the wrong date in or you had the wrong ending balance in. But we didn't have that problem. As you can see, we reconciled, so we're happy. And then you can select finish now, save for later, or close without savings. We're happy because everything reconciled, so we're going to finish now. And that's done. The system will provide you with a reconciliation report if you want it. Otherwise, you can move on to reconcile another account if you need to.